Hello everyone, it's Christina from Bible Journal Crafts and welcome to my channel. So today we are in Philippians 4 verse 4 that says, "Rejoice in the Lord always." Again, I will say rejoice. And today I would like to share with you guys this free printable that it's about animals. It's about the creatures God made, His own creations. And here you can see giraffe, flamingo, cat, and an owl. I just love all of these 4 animals, and I'm going to draw the cat one. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Now this verse talks about rejoice, and you can see in the Bible many times the word rejoice. God wants us to be joyful. God wants us to rejoice, and depression is from the enemy. All these sad feelings are from the enemy, so we must fight them with God's presence, because God is able. God is able to make us rejoice, to make us joyful, and put a smile on our faces. As you can see guys, that I'm going to use these Inktense blocks. This is from Darwin. And here you can see me using these golden watercolors for the bow on the cat, and I think that this is really cute detail. Now I'm outlining the cat. I was about to just leave it without outlining, but I just think that it's more better to outline the cat. Now I'm gonna do my rainbow lettering. And I'm starting with orange, and I'm going with yellow with a little bit of orange, and I'm finishing with some red with orange. I mix the colors. And right now I'm gonna do this cute effect with a micron pen. Later on, I am erasing the pencil lines. And on the second rejoice word, I am using this gold pen, this metallic gold pen. Here's the finished page. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like that and for more free printables. And here are the other drawings. So I hope you have fun with this printable, with the animals. I just really love the cat, how it turned out to be. And I really want to draw giraffe. I just really want the giraffe to be into my Bible journaling, so I will just draw this as soon as this video ends. So I hope you have fun. Thank you for watching. Bye.